Measuring shoulder internal rotation. Patient will be in a supine position, shoulder and elbow at 90 degrees. Just like external rotation, we're going to line the axis of the goniometer with the olecranon and the movement arm following the styloid process of the ulna, with the stationary arm perpendicular with the ceiling. Now Rachel, if you could, perform internal rotation for me. Now I want to show you, before I measure, what to look out for. Now if I push down on the shoulder, right here, push down on the forearm I mean, you can see the shoulder being hiked. And that is compensation, allowing more internal rotation at this joint than it actually has. So just look out for that. Make sure that when you perform this, there's no hiking of the shoulder. So what you do is you find the position right before the shoulder starts getting hiked, and that is where you measure it at. So about right there. Axis on the olecranon, styloid process of the ulna, stationary arm perpendicular to the ceiling. We are looking here at about 72 degrees of internal rotation.